Okay.
Okay, good morning. How to start the CNC machine that you want to study first. Okay, but coming from first you want to own the MCB electrical connection from outside that you can do like this. Show the switch that you want. Then the stabilizer, the connection will come to the stabilizer. Stabilizer already on. Okay, this is the on position. Then go to machine on. This is now off position and on. Off and on. Okay, this is on, this is on. Three switches already. MCB, stabilizer, machine. Three. Then come to the machine. Nothing will come. Now you see, nothing will come. Okay? You want to on the green button. Press the green button. Some light should be machine lamp. That will get on. Then screen is coming. Some time you want to wait. Now the screen is coming like this, emergency alarm. You put the machine on like this, rotate. Just to rotate, the machine will come on. Now no messages, red alarms are not there. You can on, the machine is already on. Now what you want to do? And this is the machine on process. From the workpiece, you want to do this one. This is the machine process. This is the stock material. From this you want to make like this. How will you do? What you want to do? First you want to first how much length you want to clamp. And you check. Press this. Our piece is loaded to the machine. CNC lathe, the workpiece center is the X0. Workpiece center. This is the X0. You can see the X0. Okay. Then Z0 on the face where you are starting, that is Z0. This is X0, this is Z0. How will you set that you want to study? Now. First finishing turning tool you want to take, finishing turning tool. That you want to index T01. You go to MDI mode. T0101. Then press cycle start. Zero one. Like this, end of block, you are in it there, then press cycle start. The first tool is coming. First tool is on the correct position. Then manually you want to take the tool there. To bring the tool there. You can face the rough material. You can face. In India mode, you can give M03 as 1000 or 500, something speed you want to give. Then it will rotate. Then you can face. Facing operation you can do. Small material you can remove from the stock material. Then this point you can take as Z0. How will you make that one? You come to the work 0. First you want to come to the work 0 and go to G54 work 0. That is code for G54 work 0. Here you put Z0 and measure. Press measure. Okay. Then this point taken as 0. This point taken as 0. Then X0, how will you take? This is now Z0 on the face. On the face, Z0. Then X0. You come to the point and machine and turn some material. Just turn some small material with manually. If it is full here or otherwise some more material you can take. Again you turn the material. And with the vernier you can measure the diameter. How much diameter that you want to measure the diameter. Now it is 24.6 that we want to give here. X 24.6. This value you can measure, then it will get to X0. Now it's here. Okay. Like this you want to take first tool. Then next tool onwards you want to touch here and touch here. You can take the. That how will I show you? Suppose one more turning tool is there. We can see T03. You take another tool. T02. T0202. Then same method you can bring the tool there. And with the paper, you take some paper, piece of paper. Take some piece of paper and put in between workpiece and job. Okay, the paper is get tightened with the insert and the workpiece. Now you can put the insert here. Now G54 is over. Then you go to tool offset page. Go to tool offset page. Tool offset page. Now the second tool. You are bringing the second tool. Geometry. You put geometry. Second tool. Z0. You put Z0 and measure. Now the value change. Okay. This value is the difference between first tool to the second tool. 0.1. 0.1 difference on the first turning tool and the next turning. This should be 0. everything is 0. Because you are setting in the G54, T01 is 0. This is 0.1, the difference between Z in axis, Z axis. Then X, how will you take X? Z you put back, then you take X direction on the top. The same method you can touch. Touch there. Same method you can touch there. Then come to the second two. X, how much? 24.6. Measure. The value will come here. This is the direct value. On the center of the workpiece, it will be. The difference between center of the workpiece to the first two. 8.3. 8.3 and 0.3. Then another two. Next two. Each tool you want to like this. You want to 8 tools are there means you want to put 8 tools like touching there. If some boring turn center, how will you take that? Next tool is drill center. Drill center, how will you take the offset? Now the turning tool is over. 2 turning tools are there. That is over. Center tool. Come to MDI mode. Program T0303. T0303 first number is tool number. Next number is offset number. You are giving the offset now. It will represent this offset. That is why T0303. Suppose you are fixing in T06, then you want to give T0306. You are fixing in the 6th position. Now you are fixing here. Anywhere you can fix. So many pages are there. Like this, so many pages. Anywhere you can fix. That you want to give the corresponding tool. If you are fixing for 46, then you want to give T0246. Then it will represent this tool. It will take this value. Now come to the third tool. How will you take Z0? You want same method, you want to bring the tool there. T0303, you want to give in the program in MDI mode. Press it. Then take third tool is coming in the position. Knowing the position, and you want to take Z axis first, Z0. You put like this paper in between tool and workpiece. Now paper is get tightened. You can go to tool offset page. Here Z0. You put Z0, measure. Then how much value? With the first two that will come here. Okay. Then now you want to take X value. X value, how will you take? That you want to, it is important for drilling tools, everything. You want to carefully, you want to attend this one. How will you take? Not directly, you can take here. First you measure the how much diameter of this value. That you want to measure. This is standard value. Because of that, you can take 8. This is 8, standard value, 8 mm drill center. Okay. Then same method you can touch there. The diameter you can touch there. And now the value, diameter value is 24.6 plus 8 8 is diameter of the tool. That also you are already measured. Totally 24.6 plus 8, 32.6. X 32.6. That you want to give here measure. Okay, the value will come here. Then you take back. Reset. Like this, any number of tools you can take. Offset. After that offset, you want to give in the program T0101. T0101, next T0202. T02, first tool number, then 02 offset number. Offset number means offset geometry, how much you are setting, that value will take. 2, the 2 position, how much value it will take. Third position, in T03, it will take. T03. T0303. You want to give this. T0404. T0606. T0808. Like that you can take any number of those. Okay. This is turning operation. Drilling tool, turning tool, everything, boring tool, everything, same method you can do. All the tools you finish, then you go to the program in single block. First you want to run in the single block. Program mistake in it, error is coming there. That will create some problem. So that you want to check in single block. First any program you want to do in single block. Slowly and carefully you want to do. Then after it finished, then you go to auto mode. Continuously it will operate. Okay. Like this you want to do any program. In lathe. Same method you can do this also. Milling. MCB, same direction. So, okay, stabilizer and go to machine 1. Put 1. MCB, stabilizer, machine. Okay. Then come to save, emergency. After coming the screen, you want to on the emergency. What is coming? You can emergency, you can on by rotating and press it, you come. Now put control. Press control 1. Now the green button is blinking, then okay. Everything is good. Machine is on. 2 machines are in one position. Then whatever you can do. Milling also same method you want to take. Work 0, G54, same method. X, Y, here 3 axes, 4 axes are there. There are only 2 axes, here X, Y, Z and A, that rotation. 4 axes are there. Here 3 axes, 4th axis is now commonly we are not using. Suppose you want to use 4th axis, you can set A. X, Y, Z, always you want to set. That is in the machine, table it will move. And spindle rotation, spindle movement, that you want to take setting. How will you set? First, where you want to start the program, that you want to fix. Then same method in lathe what you are doing, same method you can do the setting here also. Here the tool will come different lengths, different diameters. At that position, you want to take offset value like this. Geometry H, that is height difference. How much height difference? Diameter. How much diameter difference? First tool to the second, third tool. How much that difference you want to give here? Okay. Height difference and diameter difference. Here only rotating. Tool is rotating here. Their work is rotating. That's why here rotating cylindrical tools are there coming. That diameter and length difference. H is height difference and D diameter difference. That you want to set. H and diameter. Here first you can give. First you want to bring the tool there. Suppose you want to bring in there manually, you can do in jog mode. If you will manually, you can do the movements. Then he said that in incremental movement you can put there. It's already show. Bring the tool near to the workpiece. Take a piece of paper and you put in between tool and the workpiece. On the face, on the top of the workpiece, is at 0. You want to set Z first. Z0. You put like this. That is Z depth, Z0. Okay. That you can give in the G54. Work 0, first tool. First tool you can give in the G54, Z0, Z0. Same method, measure. Z0. This is the value difference between machine 0 to work 0. G53 to G54. G53 to G54, the Z axis, how much difference is that? That will come here. Now you are giving G54, Z0, the tool will come to the Z0. Anywhere the tool will come to the Z. Then X0. Now you take back the tool. X0 and Y0 you want to set. Where you are starting the program. Suppose you are starting from here. Now this is the center. Anywhere you can set. You want to bring the tool there. X axis. Suppose you want to bring there. Okay. Now X axis and Y axis is there. That is center of the tool. Center of this tool. That is the X0 Y0. Center of the tool. That is X0 Y0. In lathe, workpiece center is that is the difference. Workpiece center is the X0. Here X0 Y0 is tool center. Tool center. That you want to keep. That you can. Now you are starting here. X0 you can give measure. X0 measure, Y0 measure. X-axis Y0, Z. Then other tool Z0 you want to take. Then difference you can measure the diameter. Only Z you want to measure. Next tool always you want to measure Z because the height difference. Diameter everything directly you can get from the tool. It is written there, or you can measure with the vernier caliper or diameter. Then you can give in D and H. H value and D value. Okay. Here 24 tools are. You can put 24 tools. Tool magazine. Because of that, it is called the machine. The machine is called, the name of the machine is TC24. 24 tools at a time you can accommodate. BMV 45. 45 is the clamping area, 45 centimeter, 450. Then TC24 is tool changer 24. That magazine is called tool changer. This accommodate you can 24 tools you can accommodate. And go to same process of the machine. This one you can have. Stabilizer also you can have. Yeah. Okay. Same.